Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken sizzler salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need about 8 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast, a generous amount of mixed greens, some cherry tomatoes, and a crisp cucumber. Don't forget your favorite sizzler sauce and a little olive oil for cooking. This simple preparation ensures a quick and flavorful meal. Now, let's get that chicken sizzling. Begin by slicing your chicken breast into uniform 1-inch strips. This helps it cook evenly. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the chicken and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's beautifully golden and fully cooked through. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of your chosen sizzler sauce, ensuring every piece is coated. With your chicken perfectly sizzled, it's time to build your vibrant salad. Start by arranging about 2 cups of fresh mixed greens as the base in a large bowl. Next, evenly distribute 1/4 cup of sliced cucumber and 1/4 cup of halved cherry tomatoes over the greens. Gently place the warm, saucy chicken strips on top. For an extra burst of flavor, you can drizzle an additional teaspoon of sizzler sauce over everything. Your easy chicken sizzler salad is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the chicken is still warm and flavorful. This recipe is designed to create one generous and satisfying serving, making it an ideal choice for a quick lunch or a light, healthy dinner. Savor the delightful combination of tender chicken, crisp vegetables, and tangy sizzler sauce. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.